Well, good morning. Day one of 365 days of how to become a millionaire. Now, I am currently not a millionaire. However, last night I stayed in a Holiday Inn Express. Haha. Yeah, if you're old, you know what I'm talking about. But how do you actually become a millionaire in 365 days? Why am I walking around the house like this? I got a Fitbit. I'm trying to actually get my steps in as I'm talking to you. I have planned on a 9-to-5 job for myself. I have my own business. Well, not really, not yet. That is day one. And I'm working a 9-to-5 job, which means that as of this moment, I'm not working because it's not 9 o'clock yet. So I can do whatever I want to in the morning. And right now I'm making a video showing you, or letting you know what I plan on doing. First and foremost, if you've been following me, you know that I've had a really rough year, 2017, and everything from car wrecks that were not my fault, people texting and driving through red lights and stop signs had destroyed has made it difficult. I'm just going to say that. Which also means that it was difficult for me to keep up my office. It got kind of messy. No big deal. It's just a messy office. No big deal, right? And then I had heart failure, was on oxygen, and had a really intense operation to fix my heart. So I got the scar to prove it. I got my zipper, and I also had an issue where my right side of my body has become kind of paralyzed, which is why I'm talking like this right now, because my tongue was completely paralyzed and I'm able to talk a little bit. So I decided to become a speaker and speak my story and teach people how to become a millionaire. And what kind of authority do I have right now to say I know how to become a millionaire? None. Just stay at Holiday Inn Express. But this is now, in 365 days, I will be a millionaire. And I'm going to show you every day, step by step, how I'm doing it. So this is video one, pre 9 o'clock in the morning, start my job, because I need to get that office squared away. Wow, I've been speaking for almost 3 minutes. All right, time to go. Subscribe if you haven't. Day one, well, pre-day one.